English grammar. Are you ready for it? Let's get into it. Let's open the book to chapter number 4. Naming words. Do you know what are naming words? Is it a new concept for you? Let's check it out. Now let's look at some examples from your book. Let's see what we have here. We have table, boy, park, snake, crown, man, etc. These are all naming words, or we can call them nouns. Let's discuss some examples of nouns. My name is Megha. So Megha becomes a noun. It's a naming word. Simple. I live in India. India is the name of the country where I live. So India becomes a noun. Now let's look at this exercise right here. What you have to do is, there are different pictures given in this exercise and you have to tell what these people are. Let's look at this one first. Is this a girl or a boy? What do you think? Right, this is a girl. The word girl is a noun. Good job, kids. Let's look at the second picture now. What is this man doing here? Is that a shoe? He's trying to fix the shoe, I think. Do you know who is he? Take a guess. Look at the options given in the cloud above. Any guesses? He is a cobbler. Cobbler. Now, the word cobbler also becomes a noun. Now, finish the rest of the exercises yourself or with the help of your teacher. Thank you everyone for joining us today. See you in the next class. Bye-bye.